Okay, I have a 2011 Mercedes-Benz CLS550, and the other day this control knob quit working. I went online to see what I could find out about it because I like everything in my car to work. I hate when lights are on and check this or check that or any issues, so I wanted it to work right. Technically, you can still navigate around, but it's a lot harder, and so it takes a bit of getting used to. But I like mine to work right, so I wanted to do the repair. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, the repair took me about 10 minutes after I watched a video that kind of gave me some help. There's a guy who's repairing a E350, a 2011. So it's a little different of a repair, so I figured, hey, that helped me, so maybe my video will help other people. I found the part itself. It's a genuine Mercedes-Benz part, and the place I found it online was genuinemercedesparts.com. You enter in the year, make, model, and all that of your car, and then it tells you if the part fits. That is the most important thing, because some of these things look the same, but they're not the same. You need one that is exactly what goes in this car. So make sure you order the right one. This is the right one, and it's called a push button switch. I've seen so many other names. Radio control switch. I can't even think of all the different names that people were calling them, but Mercedes calls it a push button switch, so you know how to find it. And it's at genuinemercedesparts.com or genuinemercedesbenzparts.com, one of the two. I'll put it in the link. I'll put the link in the description of the video. But all you have to do first is take a flathead screwdriver, and you'll stick it right in there like that, and this will pop right off. Oh, I wasn't on it. Let me do it again. See, it slides right off. And you just pull this off. Then this would normally be all the way down. You can literally lift this corner up, one of these corners, with your fingernail. Right here is where I lifted mine up. I just lifted it up with my fingernail and it popped right out, no problem. Nothing broke. But there are two wires connected. One here. Sorry, I know this video is a mess. One here and one here. It's this little blue wire here and a little blue wire there. You just got to disconnect those so you can remove that piece. Then you have this piece here and here that so you kind of want to give this a little pull on both sides there, and then this will come out like that. See? This piece here, nothing's broken. This is pretty good. This is real wood, by the way. Somebody spent some time cutting and polishing this wood. See that? So it's pretty sturdy, but you don't want to just go crazy and break your interior bedazzle. So then you're going to remove 4 screws. I already removed 2 of them, and I've got these 2 right here I still got to remove. So I'm going to do that next. Get my camera, get my screwdriver to work right. Sorry, I'm not the best video maker, but you get the point. Oh, the screwdriver sucks so bad. Cheapo Depot from Lowe's. Oh, that's a torque wrench, by the way, too. You're going to need a torque wrench for that. See that end? That's important. You got to have that. Alright, so I got those out. Torque wrench says T20 on it. Whatever that means. If that helps you or not. It says T20. Alright, so let me get these screws so I don't lose them. comes right on out of there, like such. There's only one wire, so we gotta figure out how we're gonna disconnect that. Don't look like you can get your hand down in there very easy. Alright, so we got this disconnected, but this other piece deep down in there is mounted. As you can see by the new tool, the new device, it has a little latch on it right here. See this little latch? So you need to reach in with a little screwdriver and take that little latch and push it over. So I have a little screwdriver, and I'm going to push that little latch over. See, it just slid right forward. See? Right off. Out of there. And then just put the new one in. Alright. So I have it connected in there. Got that part connected to the harness here. And I've got that wire connected back into the other connector. And I'm going to reinstall the new control switch. Screw it down. That's the easy part. Would imagine you don't want to go too tight. You don't want to break the plastic. You don't need to go too tight. Just enough to keep it snug. It's not like a set of wheels and we're preventing them from falling off. You just need these screws tightened down enough to keep that thing stationary. These screws are pretty long, so my guess is this thing ain't going nowhere. Okay. Alright, now we need to put this piece back in. Wires out of the way. So this just slides back here first, like such. I may need two hands to do this. Alright, got the wood bezel back in, so you know it's not easy. You're going to need to use a little force. It don't just pop right in. You'll find that you got to get it under this. Get a little better angle here. This little lip right here on both sides. You might have to try to pull up a little bit like this while you're doing it. Muscle it into place and then pop these down right here with some force. It don't just slide in there easy. Just so you know, if you're struggling a little bit, then you're probably doing it the right way. So now, last but not least, we just have to put this piece back on. So we're going to connect those blue wires like I was showing earlier. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, so let me just connect them real quick. Alright, as you can see, I got the blue wire connected right there. The other one connected up under there, where my thumb's pointing at. See it under there? And then you just put this back into place. Like I said, this one just slides right back in, no problem. Easy. There. Just like that. Next thing you gotta do is just put this piece back on, which it just done this before, so I believe it should pop right back on pretty easy. Yep, this pops right back on just like that. Good to go. iPhone cord. Everything's still working. See, it still works. And make sure we're back in business. Oh, there it is. It's working. Audio. Yeah, see? Back in business. It's this little turn thing here that is the problem. That's what quit working. So as you can see, it's working. See on the screen? See my hand working it? So we're back in business. That's all there is to it. Took me 5 minutes, if that. So I hope this helps.